What should shoppers expect next? Lempert is direct. Phil Lempert, retail analyst, said, "I don't think the price of food is ever going to come down." That doesn't mean prices accelerate forever. It means the base is permanently higher unless something dramatic changes in productivity, climate resilience, or logistics efficiency. Agriculture is weather, water, and soil before it's anything else. Cocoa shocks in West Africa ripple into Halloween candy sizes. Drought and floods move coffee prices in Brazil. Some California crops have already migrated south in search of workable conditions. Indoors, controlled environment farming can help at the margin, but won't replace broadacre agriculture for staples soon. Add in trucking capacity constraints and wage competition, and you're left with a supply chain that's simply more expensive to run than it was. Trade policy can help at the edges, dropping a tariff here, opening a quota there, but it can't by itself bulldoze through climate and labour realities. Nor will tech shortcuts at the storefront fix a cost base built in fields, barns, warehouses and highways. The most useful technology will continue to be the least flashy: better forecasting, smarter replenishment, and digital tools that make real tasks easier for real people. The best retail formats will keep leaning into what food actually is: sensory, social, and human. So is this US-China moment a turning point? It's certainly a pause in the escalation, with photo ops to prove it, but the deeper trend has already reset the playing field. Both sides are now building redundancies into supply chains. Both are using national security frames for trade, investment, and tech, and both are assuming that the other may not be a reliable counterparty in a crisis. That's a world where the deal of the week matters less than the infrastructure being poured into mining in Australia, separation plants in the US, and magnet factories closer to end markets. It's a world where soybean cargoes move like chess pieces and where a single month's pause can flip sentiment for an entire harvest season. Meanwhile, in Buenos Aires, stabilisation will be decided not by slogans, but by stamina. Can the president keep a legislative pathway open? Can households hang on long enough to see real incomes turn? Can external partners keep the financing bridge intact without moral hazard? If yes, Argentina's recovery could be more than a market sugar high. If not, the cycle risks repeating.